नमस्ते जी नमस्ते वेलकम टू कोर्ट रूम। फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट देयर मे बी अ स्लाइट बैकग्राउंड नॉइज क्योंकि साइड वाले स्कूल में कोई पार्टी चल रही है एंड ढोल बज रहा है। ओके, वी रन दिस आउट ऑफ स्कूल एनी विच वे। सो कमिंग टू द पॉइंट, डी विल बी 2022। सबसे पहली बात, अगर आप प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, सो फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट वी नीड टू फिगर आउट व्हेन दिस एग्जाम इज गोइंग टू बी टेकिंग प्लेस सो दैट यू कैन चार्ट आउट योर प्रिपरेशन इन दैट मैनर। So कब? Minimum July, maximum August. Ideally speaking, August. So in 2020, peak COVID year, it took place on the 9th of September. In 2021, it took place on the 29th of September. So it got delayed thanks to government policies of delaying each and every examination in August of 2021 के अंदर कुछ हुआ नहीं. It got heavily delayed. But if next year there is no delta, alpha, beta, gamma of the coronavirus variant, you can pretty much hope that this exam takes place in August. But minimum July maybe. There is a chance, but minimum chance. Maximum upper limit, this examination should be taking place sometime in August. So based on that, we need to chart out our preparation. So if most of you, 90% of the people who take this examination are usually in their final year. So you have your semester, if you're in DU, 30th November से 9 December को होने वाला है, and then next year your May will be occupied by your final semester. So you pretty much don't have almost 1.5 months, so you'll have to chart your preparation around these semester examinations ताकि वहाँ पे भी number आ जाए, and then you end up scoring well in this examination as well. And you need, अगर आप see, there are two ways to attempt this exam. One is a नसीब बेस्ड शॉट, नसीब बेस्ड अटेम्प्ट रादर, इज कि अप्रैल के आसपास यू फिगर आउट कि भाई अब क्या करें आफ्टर योर फाइनल सेमेस्टर, एंड देन यू लुक एट दिस एग्जामिनेशन. यू कैन, काफ़ी लोग तब भी स्टार्ट होते हैं एंड देन कईयों का 2 हफ्तों में भी निकल जाता है, कईयों का 1 महीने में निकल जाता है. दैट इज़ व्हाट वी कॉल अ नसीब बेस्ड अटेम्प्ट कि भाई जो तैयारी करी थी उस नसीब के हिसाब से क्वेश्चन पेपर आ गया. लाइक प्रिज्यूमिंग दैट योर स्टैटिक जीके इज ऑलरेडी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड स्टैटिक जीके heavy question paper shows up, you will pretty much end up making it. But if you need to take a very solid shot at the legal section of the course, you need 4 to 5 months of comprehensive preparation. Alright, so that is what we are focused on here at least. Now, what is the pattern? There is no fixed pattern as such. I'll just put a screenshot out here. So the cutoff, when I'm shooting this on the 29th of October now, the cutoff has not been released for the 2021 examination. But this is pretty much the structure. So if you see it very closely, you will see that almost 70 to 90% of the examination varies between the legal section, the current affairs section, and the static GK section. I am only taking the 19, 20, and 21 question papers. And obviously, it is iced around with logical reasoning. If you know those topics, great. Usually, one passage shows up from English legal philosophy, sort of jurisprudence side of things, in which they ask you pretty much standard 5 questions. Has been happening for the last 2 odd years, but they can revert back anytime to collective nouns, idioms, phrases, antonyms, synonyms, standard English stuff. So there is no, pretty much there's no fixed pattern that we know that English में से इतने ही question आएंगे, current affairs में से इतने ही question आएंगे, and static GK में से इतने, logical में इतने. There's no fixed. So the only pattern is that there are 100 questions, plus 4 if you get 1 right, minus 1 if you don't get it right. And there is no as such fixed sub pattern क्योंकि आगे लिखा हुआ है कुछ भी. So they keep on asking kuch bhi at the LLB entrance level. So when you look at cutoff, so when I'm shooting this in 2021, the cutoff list still hasn't been released. It's been over a month now since the examination took place. Expected. Delhi University hai, sarkari kaam kaaj hai, and this is how it works. So in 2019, thanks to the 69 legal questions that appeared, the cutoff went from, started from the, I'm only talking about the unreserved category, and once we get the 2021 cutoffs, we are going to be issuing a comprehensive document which will state the breakup of questions, which will state the cutoffs, which will give you a lot of things, which will combine all the past year papers in one PDF. But we'll wait. I'm just waiting. In fact, I was waiting to shoot this video so that I get the cutoff for 2021 as well. But you can pretty much expect it somewhere in the 227 to 225. That was 2020 range. So you can either take it from +2 or -2. So it started from 227, ended up, only the first cutoff ended up at the 225 रेंज. सो रफली स्पीकिंग, अगर आप उल्टा सीधा ऊपर नीचे आगे पीछे का भी हिसाब लगा लेंगे, 55 to 57% if you belong to the unreserved categories, you will end up getting a seat. So how many people usually on an average, or how many people take this exam? So on an average around 16 to 17,000 odd people take this examination, and you're fighting for 2,888 or something, 2,800 to 3,000 odd seats roughly. So seat matrix के ऊपर भी इस channel पे video पड़ा हुआ. I don't remember the exact figure right now, but for the unreserved category, since that is where our main focus is, somewhere around the 1170 seat mark. So 1170 seats are available for you, almost 380, 390 per center. So there are 3 centers now, all located on the main campus itself. Earlier only CLC was on the main campus, but now LC1 also was on the main campus. LC2 was on the south campus, but now all are 3 condensed together at one place. CLC is in one building, LC1, LC2 is in the newer building. Okay, ji. Then the sine qua non, the word sine qua non, fancy English nahi hai, just a bit of legal English. Something that you cannot skip out is doing 10 years. You have to go through the 10 years. There is no other option out, because A, it is a central university examination. Thus, it's Sarkari. Sarkari may 10 years become absolutely crucial. Pretty much for any examination as well, but for this specific one, 10 years are the key. Once you're going through 10 years, you will start identifying patterns. You will start identifying modification of the same questions over and over again asked. So the question is same, maybe the answer varies a bit, or the answer is the same, the question varies a bit, but pretty much the core topic is the same. Okay? So past years, say you will extract out topics and you will solidify those topics, such as static GK. When I say legal, I'll just come to the breakup of what all do they keep on asking in legal. So CA and GK, which is a core component of this examination. DU LLB को इश्क मोहब्बत है, obsession है, Kabir Singh type, Shah Rukh Khan type in Dar to Kiran with United Nations. So this is a question paper that is heavily obsessed with United Nations. So there is no way on the planet that you cannot know about schemes of United Nations, you cannot know about the organs of United Nations, there is no way that you will not be knowing about specialized agencies of United Nations to take a very mehnat based attempt at this examination. नाउ फिर दूसरा जो क्वेश्चन उठता है कि जी वो क्या है जी आपके महीने क्या क्या हैं, मैं व्हेन शुड आई स्टार्ट ट्रैकिंग करंट अफेयर्स. सी फॉर द 2021 examinations, the examination that is, the question was asked about Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award and Arjun Award as well. Therefore, and those awards were given way back in August 2020. So for any taking a very good shot, you have to focus on topics such as the Nobel Prize, such as these major awards. So these, you cannot be focusing on certain months. You have to focus on all the major developments that have taken place throughout the year, because the examiner doesn't confine himself slash herself to any specific range of months. So you need to cover it out comprehensively. All right. Maths. What about maths? Maths is in 2021 there were 2 questions, 2020 there were 0 questions, 2019 there were 4 questions. Mostly you'll be taking up this examination, mostly, not for everyone, mostly when your mathematics is generally speaking weak. So your MBA exams pretty much start going out of the window. And that is the blunt reality of life. ज़्यादातर वकीलों की मैथ्स अच्छी नहीं होती, तो अच्छी बात है, तो ऐसी कोई टेंशन नहीं है. मैथ्स नहीं आती अगर आपको जीवन में मैथ्स से कठिनाई है, देन प्रीटी मच लॉ इज अ डिसेंट ऑप्शन फॉर यू, बिकॉज यहाँ पे शब्दों का आडंबर है, शब्दों पे लड़ाई है, नंबरों पे नहीं. बट नंबर स्टिल प्ले अ रोल, बिकॉज फैमिली लॉ टू एंड taxation law etc require good understanding of numbers, but still it's manageable even if आपके मैथ्स में मतलब इंटीग्रेशन डेरिवेशन वगैरह नहीं आती, इट्स एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. क्या ये एग्जाम सेल्फ प्रिपरेशन से निकलता है? जी, ऐसा कोई एग्जामिनेशन पैदा ही नहीं हुआ, इंक्लूडिंग द यूपीएससी और द जुडिशरी एग्जाम्स, दैट वेल कैन नॉट बी क्रिएटेड बाय सेल्फ प्रिपरेशन. सो इट इज़ प्रीटी मच डूएबल, ऐसी कोई इसमें दिक्कत नहीं है. व्हाट अबाउट कोचिंग? So this is primarily one academy that provides coaching programs. So we teach offline as well and we teach online as well. The link to everything is in the description. Our first offline batch is going to be starting on the 18th of November. So there are open days in which you can come on into the academy, you can come on into the center, We can discuss out the batch details, we can discuss out the syllabus, we'll discuss out the manner in which that we will be focusing our preparation around, and how will we go about it. So the next open day is on the 1st of November, then just right before Diwali, and then the other open day is on the 11th of November. I'll leave the link to the form down below, and then you can fill that, you can come on in, there is absolutely no cost to that. And out of 30 seats, so we have in one batch we only have 30 seats, we 30 that is, and we don't take any more than that. So right now I think we are on somewhere around the 16 or 17 seats left marked in the batch 1, and then batch 2 will start somewhere in January, February. We really haven't fixed the timing for that as of yet. So self preparation se hota hai kaam. Universal Single are the standard books. आप करना चाहें, you can pretty much self prepare on your own. You can watch DULLB's playlist on this very channel. I believe that will be very helpful for you. ठीक है जी. Now we'll basically, so in our thing, basically in our coaching program, it takes about 4 to 5 odd months. अच्छा solid काम करेंगे. Then we take a मेहनत based shot, not a नसीब based one. लीगल के सिलेबस पे आते हैं. अब लीगल में क्या क्या करना है इस IPR में क्या क्या है, पेटेंट, कॉपीराइट, ट्रेडमार्क, इंडस्ट्रियल डिजाइन, सेमीकंडक्टर डिजाइन, all of that stuff, because DU likes IPR. As it's seen over and over and over again, they keep on asking questions related to these topics, and not very, I wouldn't say that they're very tough questions, but they aren't very simple either. So you need to study it in a fair amount of depth and detail. Then we go to Constitution. Constitution you need to know inside and out. So if a 2019 level sort of a question paper shows up, you need to know your polity. And polity ke liye people refer to Lakshmikant. Lakshmikant contains a lot many details that you pretty much don't need for this examination, but it's very difficult to filter out Lakshmikant in an online based medium. But kar sakte hain aap. If you have the time, you can go through Lakshmikant. It will sort out your polity for you. Then you go to IPC, contract and torts. The three, you can say, ancillary law subjects that the paper usually revolves around. So they can go in depth on either of these three. From 2020 onwards, they have started asking about family law as well. Now, from till 2020, there was no mention of this topic of family law, but now they have started going into Muslim laws, Hindu laws, very basic stuff. But yes, it exists now, and it exists in a I would say decent amount of detail, not very, very tough, but still a decent amount of detail in which you need to know your family laws. And then legal comprises of legal current affairs, that is judgments, what the Supreme Court has been up to, anything that is to do with law, right? But not with High Court judgments. High Court judgments really not required for this examination. What about English? So for the past 2 years, it's been observed that one passage comes out, 5 questions, and legal basically आपका काम हो जाता है. So all of this, I've spoken about the offline bit. We also have an online coaching program. I'll leave the link to it in the description. So English के अंदर और क्या आपको cover करना है? It's idioms, antonyms, synonyms, collective nouns, and spot the error type questions. Very standard stuff. Logical reasoning में आप क्या काम करेंगे? You'll have to practice out questions from R.S. Agarwal. Blood relations, directions as sequence and series, syllogisms, arrangements, coding, decoding. This year, the logical reasoning was pretty much, the easiest in a decade, in fact. So, and to top it all off, there is the component of static GK, which is pretty much an endless thing, but you have to narrow it down somewhere. So people will recommend Lucent to you. It's quite huge, in fact, but then based on 10 years, you'll have to narrow the domain of the things that you need to do in static GK. Once you're through with all of this, so the books that you can use, Universal, Single, R.S. Agarwal, if you're preparing on your own, R.S. Agarwal will tackle out logical reasoning. So verbal and non-verbal reasoning, link to everything is down below in the description itself. And you have to keep the question paper structure in mind. You have to keep in mind that this is a competitive exam. So competitive examinations usually they expect a different sort of an approach from your traditional examinations. So you need to understand what a competitive exam is demanding you, or demanding from you rather, and then deliver that to secure a seat. It's as simple as that. And in a competitive exam, since you are in a competition with others, everything also depends a on what you have done in the exam, also depends a bit on what the other folk has done, and the number of questions that you both are getting correct, so those cancel out with each other. It's a very complicated scenario, but any which way, student need not concern with all of that, need not concern themselves with all of that. So you need to keep the cutoffs in mind. You need to keep the way that you are going to be basically skirting around the questions and securing a seat, and that is the key to a competitive exam. So what is the ideal number of attempts, and we will talk about that when the examination gets near. We post videos regarding that all the time on this very channel. You can explore the playlist as well. I'm sure it will be of much help to you. So if I were you, I'll come back to this preparation, etc., etc. We'll be basically posting one monthly video going on from this very specific moment in time. And then we'll be taking up कि जी इस महीने क्या करें और फिर आगे क्या करें if you are on the self preparation route, I believe. And if you need any help, either online or offline, it is available at Courtroom. And yeah, that's about it. All right. Wishing you all the very best in your preparation. You can start off even after Diwali. ऐसी कोई train नहीं निकल रही है अभी. It's decently enough. Okay. Wishing you all the best. Take care. Bye.